Hi everyone! Welcome back to Smart Hacks. Today we're embarking on a journey to transform your homes into havens of peace and order. We often think of grand gestures when it comes to organizing, but true transformation lies in appreciating the small, simple joys. Today, we're sharing 5 quick and easy DIY home organization hacks that will not only tidy your space, but also spark joy in your everyday life. Let's jump right in. Our first hack brings charm and functionality together with mason jars. Don't you just love their humble elegance? Imagine your makeup brushes standing tall and proud, not tangled in a drawer, but basking in the light, each in their own mason jar. Perhaps you could paint these jars in soft pastels, adding a touch of your personality to your vanity. And why stop there? These versatile jars can also bring order to your work desk, storing pens and pencils, or even grace your kitchen, holding utensils with rustic charm. Mount them on a reclaimed wooden plank, and you have yourself a wall organizer that is both functional and stylish. Next, let's give those forgotten shoeboxes a new life. Instead of gathering dust, imagine them as drawer dividers, creating a sense of harmony within. Cover them with leftover wallpaper, perhaps with a floral pattern that sparks joy, or a calming solid color that brings a sense of serenity. Now, as you open your drawers, you'll find socks neatly nestled together, ties resting peacefully, and stationary items no longer in disarray. Each item will have its designated space, making it easier to find and put away, fostering a sense of calm and order. Our kitchens are the heart of our homes, where we nourish our bodies and souls. Let's bring a touch of magic to this space with a magnetic spice rack. Imagine sleek metal containers clinging to a magnetic strip on your wall, each spice jar readily accessible. No more rummaging through cluttered cabinets. This simple hack not only saves space, but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Feel the joy of cooking with ease as you effortlessly select the perfect spices for your culinary creations. The Pegboard, a blank canvas for organization just waiting to be infused with your personal touch. Imagine a section in your craft room, tools neatly hanging, each in their rightful place, ready to spark creativity. Or perhaps in your kitchen, utensils on display, creating a charming, rustic aesthetic. The possibilities are endless. With each hook and basket you add, you're not just organizing, you're designing a system that brings ease and joy to your daily routines. Let's bring a touch of mindful organization to our closets. Do you have scarves, those beautiful pieces of fabric that bring a splash of color to your day, but are often lost in the depths of your closet? Let's give them a home they deserve. Repurpose those old wooden hangers, the ones that no longer spark joy, and transform them into hanging organizers. Attach loops of fabric, perhaps from a fabric scrap that holds a special memory, and thread your scarves through. You can do the same for belts or even small bags, creating a visually appealing and organized system. And that's it. 5 simple hacks to organize your home. Remember, tidying up is not just about decluttering. It's about surrounding yourself with objects that spark joy and creating a space that fosters peace and inspiration. Which one of these simple joys will you bring into your home? Comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DIY inspiration. Thanks for watching Smart Hacks. See you next time.